been a long damn time. This year marks 10 years since I tried to end it all. I almost did it too, and yet now I have a life I never dreamed I would have. A career, a home, and so many other things besides. But still, in so many ways, I still feel small, directionless, beholden to the same old demons I've always struggled with. And I don't know if I ever really changed at all. And that terrifies me. Guess I just deal with it the only way I know how.